Jam Barangay. Wala pa ka na si Jam. Okay, this time let's have an energy check. Okay, energy check kita anak. Okay, ano ka rin tagline sa ating pinalangga Congresswoman? Gugma ko. Ito kayo na yan. Gugma ko. Gugma ko, hope mo. Okay. Gugma ko, hope mo. Basta kay Kong Jam Jam man. Gugma. Wala tayo sa magkwarta. Okay. Hope. No, kay Kong Jam Jam, may gugma. Mula na sa Gugma was the answer. Okay? So, di ba ito na sa energy check? Okay? As I call your district, please clap your hands, okay, or make some noise to be recognized. Or stand up na lang, sabi na clap kita. Where are our Gugma from the district of Haro? Dito, district of Haro. Ay, okay na po. Where ba natin? Ang ating mga Gugma from the district of Haro. This time, please stand up. Or make some noise, Arma Gugma from the district of Montreal. Ano po ba? Okay. Ano na ito? What the energy? Make some noise, Arma Gugma from the district of Montreal. Okay. Kasi naman ka nakatulog, pero naman ang muna. Okay, dua tonta. That's our energy check. Okay, wala ang tanan. Kung magkakaroon ko, Gugma ko na sa lahat? Kay Kong Jam Jaman? May araw dyan sa bagwarta. Kay Kong Jam Jam, may kwarta. Okay? Sakto na, may kwarta na, may Gugma pa. Okay? Sige, kay Kong Jam Jaman? Kong Jam Jaman? Kong Jam Jaman? Gugma ko? Gugma ko? Very good. Gugma. Very participative. Alright. We would like to thank first the West Visayas State University Cultural Center for allowing us to use this venue sa ating Lollipop orientation. If you have noticed, ladies and gentlemen, sa una, no mag-Lollipop orientation, kita diin na mga Lollipop orientation. Saan?
Sa Harong.
Sa Freedom. Okay? Sa Freedom, mainit. No? So, and make sure kids sa ating pinalangga Congresswoman Jam Jam Maronda na ang beneficiary sa iya Lollipop dapat naka-aircon! Kaya dapat ang natin po, dapat comfortable ang ating Gugma. So, tirapan lang, no? Dapat syakan natin ang Gugma sa ating pinalanggaon ng Congresswoman Jam Jam Maronda. And of course, we would like also to thank President Bongbong Marcos, tirapan natin, Speaker Martin Romualdez, and of course, our partner, the Departments of Labor and Employment, Region 6, and Iloilo. Palamakan nato ha, alas na si Ibel. Kung hindi dito sa ila, hindi ini maging mahapos ang pag-implement sa Suminga program, sila ito na pinalanggaon ng Congresswoman Jam Jam Maronda. And of course, at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to acknowledge the persons na nagpuligid sa opisina ni Kong Jam para mapili ang mga deserving natin na mga Gugma, mga deserving natin na mga beneficiaries para sa ating Dolly to Pad program. Ladies and gentlemen, your barangay officials, sa pagtawag natin sa ina, pasakao natin sila sa stage, nagkataga natin sila sa mainit, na pag-Gugma paagi sa atin na mainit kapag palakpak. Okay ka na sila? Alright, requesting our barangay officials, as I call your name, please come up here on stage to be recognized. Let's start on the district of Haro. We have Barangay Agawad, from the Barangay Cuartero, we have Kagawad Eugene de Monteverde. Also from Barangay Cuartero, we have Kagawad Ronnie Talwata. Kasauta. And of course, isa sa pinakaguwapa ang punong barangay sa Distrito Sanharo, the ever dynamic punong barangay o barangay San Isidro Haro, we have punong barangay Ronela Juaneza. We also have here Barangay Kagawad from Barangay Tagugsuba. We have Kagawad June Sagala. And Kagawad, it's JM Sagala and Kagawad Ace Otito. We have Barangay Kagawad from Dumumbi. We have Kagawad Ace Otito. Kagawad Marlon Ortinan and Kagawad Reynold Sampiano. We have a Barangay Kagawad from Barangay Kubay Araw. We have Kagawad Chris Delphi. Barangay Kagawad from Barangay Argilias. We have Kagawad Luel Espartero. From Barangay Seminario, we have Kagawad Tina Prodigo. Barangay Fajardo, we have Kagawad Ayan Abuno. From Barangay Lalintaro, we have Kagawad Delmar Atadel. Walang pangalan sa mga barangay officials natin. Next, our Barangay Kagawad from Barangay Buang, we have Kagawad Vincent Pamplona. Our SK alumni, batch 93. From Barangay Kubay, we have Ramil Apusaga. SK alumni, batch 96 from Dumumbi, we have Karen Marcoma. Okay. Our former Kagawad from Barangay Kalubian, we have Kagawad Giselle Sabando. SK Kagawad from Dumumbi, we have Risa Joy Hamola. And SK Kagawad alumni from Tagugsuba, we have Gary Tam. We would like also to acknowledge Kagawad Elmer Landero of Barangay Lourdes Haro. There you are, ladies and gentlemen, our barangay officials from the district of Haro. Sige. Magwag na kita na ako. For we will now be welcoming our barangay officials in the district of Mandurriao. Starting with our barangay officials from Barangay Airport, we have Kagawad Reynold Enriquez, Kagawad Jacqueline Diocampo, Kagawad Benita Villarreal, Kagawad Ramon Ferrer, and SK Chairman Alvin Villa Jr. Of course, sa Barangay Macau, we have Kagawad Luminor Naganya, from Pagi Dimitito, we have former Kagawad Bona Gratis and Kagawad Romina Gratis. From Barangay Tacnon, we have former Kagawad Rodel Iha. From Barangay Navais, Manduya, we have Kagawad Betchy Sevilla. And former SK Chairman Ferlin Launio. From Barangay Guzman, we have Kagawad Oti Jesus Bayona, and Kagawad Ernesto Celeste. Palakpakan natin ang tumutang officials sa District of Manduria. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's now welcome the barangay officials from the District of Molo. We are from Barangay West Timawa. We are Kagawad Michael John and Asensio. From Barangay Boulevard Molo, we have Kagawad Mary Jean Monserrate and SK Chairman Rayden Benedicto. From Barangay San Pedro Molo, we have Kagawad Joselito Rica Blanca. From San Antonio, we have Kagawad Charlemagne